Hey guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking apart these old pillows and using the stuffing. Then I bought these materials in the material section. They have a cool little thing that has fabrics that you can buy for like $3 to $4. So I got the black and stripe. I got the black and white striped. I got the gray, and I got like a baby pink. And I also got these feather ones, which I'm not too sure why I even got these, because for the bedroom, I'm trying to go with the moon and a moon theme, or moon and stars. I haven't decided. But these three colors are the colors that I want to incorporate in the room. So to do this, I'm going to be using glue sticks and a glue gun. There will be no sewing involved, and yeah, I'll show you the finished product in a little bit. Alright, for this one, I went ahead and made a small pillow. As you guys can see, you do have to fluff it and even it out, but there's the extra fluff, and that is one so far. Alright, and for this next one, I used the feather padding. It looks okay so far in my room. I'm not going to worry too much about it. But you turn it inside out, and then you go ahead and glue gun all around the edges. And then you just fill it in with the stuffing and finish gluing it off. And this is what it looks like. Alright, moving on to my next little DIY for my bedroom. I went ahead and took items that I already had, and I just gave them a little makeover. So you can take any little item that you have, spray paint it. For the room, I'm going with a very white and black theme, and a pop of pink and a pop of silver. I know it sounds crazy, but at the end it looks decent. And so I went ahead and took this candle holder, spray painted it matte white, and then I took this deer that I had in the kitchen, and I'm spray painting that as well, just to make it look a lot cuter. Alright, and so I found this little piece at Goodwill. Are you guys dying? Because I am. It is super cute. It totally like went with my moon and star decor for my room, so I had to touch it up. It was clear, obviously, but I went ahead and took my white spray paint. Spray paint fixes everything, I swear. So this white spray paint took it to another level. Looks like I picked it up from some decor store. So really cute, really pretty. You don't have to spend a lot of money. It literally cost me $1.99, and now it is a beautiful white earring and bracelet, and also it holds my dirty lashes that I've been wearing all day. Keep in mind that also if you turn it over, you can definitely use it as a 3D little wall piece. But like I said, I'm going to be carrying my earrings and stuff that I take off for the night, a jewelry tray. So definitely open your mind and do what you want. So I had these stars from a long time ago. They were full of liquid and stars, and obviously it's a photo frame. But the water dried out. I've had them so long. So I just went ahead and took my trusty dusty black spray paint and, silver. What am I speaking about? So I did silver and I did black. I ended up not using the silver, even though it looks really pretty. There was a little mishap and I just never continued. Let me know if you think the silver looks cute. I mean, it obviously does. But yeah, so I went ahead with black, but I'll go ahead and leave this clip in for you. Alright, you guys thought I was done with the white. I was not. So I took a star and I also painted it white as well. And there's my black one. Those are the black ones. And then I found these cute little black jars, which you can definitely do it yourself. I took white paint because, of course, my theme is white, black, and a little bit of silver. So I went ahead and just covered the gold, and there you go, like fixed it. I also find these, I found these tea light little candle jars, which I don't love, but they're going to be doing just great. I went ahead and spray painted the black, and then I got these little tennis balls, ping pong balls, to turn into like a garland. So I will be showing you that in a whole other video. If you even want to see that, let me know. Then, like I said, I'm just going to be painting this white, and voila, it looks beautiful. So now I took this $1 tree jar and I mixed it with some acrylic paint and baking soda, I believe. If you want a whole video on this, let me know how you can make these look like clay jars. And I literally DIY'd it, guys. I found this leaf garland on Amazon. It's a lot of it, so I kind of have it throughout the house. But yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm just gonna be making my own little kind of like I don't know, I just want the green like cascading over the little vase. So that is what I did here, and here's the finished product. You guys can see it's up there in the corner. I just have everything a little boho style, moon, stars, but nothing too much. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I forgot to mention, if you guys see that white camera, it used to be the gold camera that I had in all my videos, so I just spray painted it as well. That cute garland that you see hanging on the window, probably could have made myself. $25 on Amazon. Pick silver, moon, and yeah, a moon little decor. If you want more videos like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that it notifies you every single time I upload a new video. Bye.